Hello there. Peace to all the gods and goddesses. It's an honor to be with you today, tonight, whatever time it is and wherever you are. I'm gonna wait just a couple seconds. I don't want to say this every time, but I did want to make another quick video. And we'll do another unboxing today, an unveiling. I don't know, I'm trying to make it a Monday thing, I suppose. So we have a couple packages that I'd like to share with y'all. Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll be able to do an update, a 1 week update for last week's unveiling. So I do hope to get that to you guys soon. And then also do make sure that if you are interested in making your own aromatherapy treats, your own bath salts and your own body scrubs, this Friday, November 2nd, will be our first class, and I will be teaching how to make bath salts and scrubs. So go ahead and sign up, DM me for more information, or you can always go to linktree.com/LaysiaPrincess. That is linktr.ee/LaysiaPrincess. So, yeah. Gonna go ahead and start now. So, the first box that I have here, and I'm super excited for this. I mean, I'm excited for almost everything that I order or that comes my way. This box is from Mountain Rose Herbs. I needed some new herbs and wanted to try another vendor. As of right now, I get my herbs, depending, if they're local or not. My primary herbs come from Teaposh Naturals, in Florida. So shout out to Queen Tyresha. Thank you so much for all of your continued help. And even within the group that we both are in, and other witches on YouTube that I do follow, all highly recommend, getting herbs from Mountain Rose Herbs. So I decided to give them a try, and let's open up this box to see what all we got. Again, I don't know, maybe somebody should send me a box cutter. Like, scissors always look dangerous, I guess. Fair enough. I'm gonna keep opening it. And I hope everyone's feeling great today. How are you? Go ahead and drop how you're feeling today in the comments below. I want to know how you're feeling, not how you're doing, because that is not even a complete question. So how are you feeling today? How are you feeling tonight? What's going on? Okay, this is cute. Right off the bat, we see this cute little green message here. And it says, all of us here at Mountain Rose Herbs would like to say thanks for your order and for your continued patronage. We are committed to using recycled materials to pack your order. The boxes are made from 100% recycled paper, green wrap protective packaging made from recycled materials, and 100% recyclable, biodegradable, and compostable materials. The air pillows and also the peanuts, they're all reclaimed, recycled, and awesome for the earth. So thank you for doing your part in going green. Reduce your carbon footprint. Go green in all aspects of your life as possible, in as many aspects of your life as possible. Okay, like I said, I want to keep this short. Here we go. Angelica root. We got some wonderful Angelica root here. Now, I would tell you what I ordered all this stuff for, but I kind of can't remember at this moment. That's why I keep notes everywhere, because as a visual person and with my mind going 1,000, times per second, we can't retain, everything. But there's some things I'd like to be doing, some spells and some candle magics, and even some teas that I'd like to create. So Angelica root, picked up some of that. And this is a 1 ounce bag, so 29 grams. So it's a decent size. We also got Damiana leaf. I've been dying to get Damiana leaf. Had some Damiana tea actually for the first time last week, and I loved it, so picked up some loose herbs of it. Ooh, we got the English lavender. Whole flowers, English lavender. Lavender is just, ooh, lavender, just some lavender. What else? Catnip. How? So yes, even though I do have a little Siamese booger, I do want to use a little bit for him, kind of create him something. But catnip is just, you know, it's a great herb. All herbs are great herbs. But no, again, as we move on in this video journey, I will get better at explaining on the go. But as of right now, I just want to unbox, show support, and that's how we're going to do this. And then last but not least, we've also ordered some skull cap. Skull cap. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 different herbs. All, again, 1 ounce each. They weren't too expensive. Y'all know I am a frugal body. We don't do expensive. I don't believe in running out and spending a bunch of money on anything. Clothing, herbs, candles. It don't matter. I do not believe in spending a whole lot of money. I believe in being resourceful and creative. And also cheap when you need to be. So these were not... These are maybe 2 or 3 something a pack, depending. Maybe 1 was 6 something. But again, mountain rose herbs. Get your herbs. Hello, my goddess. Hi, Nails. How you doing, baby? It's great to see you in here. Happy you're here. We're doing an unboxing. Just finished the first one. And we were able to pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, I gotta keep counting, 5 different 1 ounce bag of herbs from Mountain Rose Herbs. They are so far the second place that I have purchased herbs from in bulk. So yeah, I'm okay. How are you? I'm doing wonderful now that I see you. I'm great as well. I cannot complain. It's a little hot in this room I'm in, but it's all right. But I'm glad to see you, Mama. All right. On to some literature. The box came with literature. Hey, hold on. Plant Healer's 10th Anniversary Good Medicine Conference. A festival of enchantment, education, and utter celebration. Okay, Melrose. Co-create, okay. Colorado, if y'all can fly me out, I'll be there otherwise. So I don't know, maybe we could talk about a partnership, cough cough, anywho. Smiley faces, I love smiley faces. I like to see that, that's great. And we did get oh, I can break down the price for y'all right quick. The catnip was $3.25, skull cap was $4.50, the lavender was $4.50, excuse me, the Damiana was $2.50, and the Angelica root was $4.50. So total with shipping, we paid $26.98, under $30 for all 5 of these herbs. I don't mind. Oh, is my address in that? Shit. Moving on. They got some specials. That's awesome. So, Mountain Rose Herbs. You're so cute. Dude, I feel awkward, but I'm gonna roll with it. Thank you. Like, I feel like my awkward coping mechanism is these weird giggles, so we'll be alright. So that's box 1. Thank you, Mountain Rose Herbs. Very excited, and we'll keep you updated. And the rest of you. And the second package, and last package, but not least. I keep reading that you're so cute, and I can't get over that. You're cute. This package came from EgyptianMagnetics. EgyptianMagnetics, I found them on Etsy, so they're a fellow Etsy shop owner. And let's open it. Now this I've been waiting for. I mean, I pretty much stock all of my packages, but this... Just hold on. sure. Okay, clear. What did I order? Let me read this note from the shop. I like their logo. That's really cute. I like it. A note from the shop. Thank you for your recent purchase. We're excited to have you as a customer. Approve. Feedback. Hear from you. Feedback. Enjoying everything. What you expected. La la. Awesome. Alright. So, let me explain what the heck this is. Let me just... Do y'all... Hold on. Let me... Nails. Baby. You see this? Look at this. $144 quadrillion. Baby, we got us some ancestor money, okay? You see my brother on here? My dearly departed, never forgotten brother here. Woo! So this is a pack of 9 bills. This is ancestor money, African culture, $144 quadrillion. This is the denomination in case... I know we stop at, what, million, billion, trillion, whatever it is you go to, go a little more, quadrillion. But, ooh. You don't like this. Shit, I like this. No, for ancestor money, you know, just as in our world, in this physical world, we have to operate and use a means to handle transactions. Of value of some sort. Just in the spirit realm, they gotta if we're sending out petitions and we're asking all these things, we're sending out all these prayers essentially, they gotta make stuff happen. They gotta, you know, our guys gotta make some stuff happen. So, you know, just as we need money here, they need money there. Bless your guides, okay? Bless your ancestors. Thank them. Because we asking for all these favors. And, I mean, they can, you know, get by. But, I mean, to really set them up for where they are. They like nice things, too. They want to buy their own stuff. And they want to help us. And get you some ancestor money. This is one of, I think I purchased 3 different types of ancestor monies. I'm just too geeked over this. And let me just read one of these to y'all. I don't even think this is like more than 9. I want to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, we got a little gift. Yes. Thank you for the extras, Miss EgyptianMagnetics. We super appreciate you for the extras. And I can't wait to use these. To read these, or one of them, it says, "This note is for my ancestors, known and unknown, to have an afterlife full of wealth and abundance. So must it be." Look at that. And the back says, "This note is for my ancestors, known and unknown, to eliminate and pay off all karmic debt. So must it be." And we can expand on this another time in another video. Look at this. They're going to be set. So just like we trying to, you know, capitalize out here in this world, they need to make some stuff happen. They too need funditures. And, you know, get your guys some ancestor money. Look at this. What would you do with $144 quadrillion? Don't answer that now. Answer in the comments. I kind of want to hear. I want to know. No, I want to know. What would you do with $144 quadrillion right now? Thank you for tuning in. Again, don't want to make this video long. Today we unveiled 2 boxes. One from Mountain Rose Herbs. We picked up 5 1-ounce pack of herbs. And we also... Hi, my goddess. Hello, hello. Oh, Goddess Chloe, it is so great to see you. Hello. Well, like I said, first package from Mountain Rose Herbs, second from EgyptianMagnetics on Etsy. we'll make a post linking the two, and we'll also make a follow-up video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, all that good stuff, hit your girl up. This is Luna La Negra, and stay magical always. Bye.